Ever wished you could streamline your design process in Fusion? Well, get ready to revolutionize your workflow with configurations. Configurations let you create multiple variations of your design within a single file. Imagine effortlessly switching between different dimensions, materials, and features, all controlled from a simple, intuitive table. It's like having a design toolbox at your fingertips. And it's not just for simple shapes. Configurations work with assemblies and complex models, allowing you to explore endless possibilities. Configurations simplify design reviews, streamline your workflow, and even help you prepare for manufacturing. Say goodbye to messy file management and hello to a more organized, efficient design process. Join us for a full tutorial on configurations in Fusion 360, where we'll dive deeper into this powerful feature. Don't miss out on this game changer for your design workflow.